Alright guys, today on Tux Tech TV we're going to review the K400 keyboard as I promised you guys in the past, and I'm also going to show you guys where to download the Solar application to run this keyboard, and that's going to be next on Tux Tech TV. Stay tuned. Alright guys, thank you for staying tuned. First of all, what you want to do is open your web browser. I've already went to the source where I download my PPAs. The website is right here, of course. It's called Web Update. This is an awesome site. I mean, I get a lot of my news and info and stuff like that from this web page. Information about the GNOME interface, or GNOME, however you want to pronounce it again. Unity, all Ubuntu PPAs, all that stuff is right here. If you're an Ubuntu user, here's where you could come and get some of those, some detailed information on the stuff that you're actually installing on your computer. But here's the scripts that you will actually have to copy and paste into your terminal. I'm using the 14.04 Ubuntu version. It also, as you can see here, works in up to Linux Mint 17. So if you're running Linux Mint 17, you'll be good running this. If you're using anything higher, then you will use the script below. I guess that'll be it. But yeah, once you're through copy and pasting that stuff, let me go ahead and close this, and then you're just gonna type in Solar, and here's the product, and then it opens up. I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the keyboard. It's actually off. Turn it on real quick. I may have to actually exit the app and re-enter because I had the keyboard off. Let's see. Okay. I guess I was wrong. Let's try this again. Wow, this is acting really quirky right now. But anyway, it's supposed to show details on your battery life and all that stuff right there. I'm guessing there's a little bit of a bug, but it works. I just wanted you guys to see that it actually works. There it is. I had to restart the PC, but it works. But in addition to this, I'm gonna actually show you guys how to get rid of a PPA or an old script that's actually causing, it's not gonna damage your installs and stuff like that or cause problems as far as application running, but what it does is that, like, say for instance you do an update, and at the end of the update process you have a couple errors that pop up. Let's just wait and see, give it a few seconds and it'll be done in a little bit. There we go. You have a couple of things that failed here, and what failed was the OpenShot PPA. It's either out of date, or I need to, I guess, delete this PPA and install the newer one, the more up-to-date one. Because sometimes, when you install a PPA, you're at the mercy of whomever is maintaining that PPA. And you might have somebody else that takes over that process, and it might be a completely different script. So you might have to delete this and install that new script. but I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of that bad one in the first place. You go to software updates, or just type in, well, go into your, use your super key or your Windows key, and oops, I'm trying to do Solar again. Anyway, not software updater, but right here, software updates. Well, the icon is going to look different on your computer because I'm actually using the Numix theme. Anyway, you go to software right here, and you're going to find that PPA. Basically, it's going to be written out as you see it. So it was an open shot. I'm seeing double right now because I'm on some meds. I have a back injury from work, and trying to catch up with you guys making this video. Where is that open shot? Ah, here we go. Right here, the one that's checked. Go ahead and remove, and you got to type in your password, and it's gone. Okay, so once you remove that PPA, the bad one, and you attempt to close it, it's going to ask you to reload, and go ahead and do that. Because if reload is not done, that's when you run into a battery of issues. So I'm going to go ahead and let this reload. I kind of like to watch what's taking place on my system while anything is updating. I always open the details window. You'll catch a failure before the update is even completed. So that's done. Control-Alt-T for your terminal to open up, and then you just do another sudo apt update. Oops. Type in your password. And as you can see, no more open shot errors after you do an update. Let's go ahead and do a upgrade. Alright, we don't have any upgrades. See, right here is saying that there's 4 not upgraded. Let's go ahead and try doing it this way. You remember this? Distribution upgrade. Now we got 3 down, so let's try another general upgrade and see what takes place. Now it went back up to 4. That's weird. Alright, well, you know, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. I gave you guys a little bit more than I promised. And again, you'll see here the website that you go to get all this information, and to, you know, just keep up with your system, your Linux system, your Ubuntu system. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Peace out.